Hi everybody, welcome to the fifth and final card design in June's card class. I do hope you've enjoyed putting all the cards together so far. If you are interested in joining my mailing list to find out about future cards classes, you can do that over at my website, which is staceymarsh.co.uk. If you hit subscribe to this video, you will receive notifications of future tutorials, including all my monthly card class videos that I do like to share. If you wanted to purchase the PDF with the instructions and the measurement guide, that can also be purchased on my website as well. So the fifth and final card looks like this. It may look like the most simple card, and it is, of the five, and there's a reason I have saved it till last. Okay, so we're going to start with our lovely card base that's cut from So Saffron cardstock. Give that a nice crease with your bone folder. And then you have a very, very simple layer of basic white card and that beautiful designer series paper with that navy background. You could by all means use any of the other patterns in the pack, what you've got left over. You should have a really good amount of card and DSP left in your kits to continue being creative with. Okay, so I'm quite simply adding those two layers onto my card, and I have a layer of white for the inside. Like so. Okay, the next thing we need to do is we need to put together our sentiment, and I have used the sentiment that says wishing you all the happiness you can imagine. What a beautiful greeting and a reason to send a card. So let's stamp this. I'm stamping with Night of Navy ink, and that's being stamped onto our white circle. So the reason we start using this card last, is because we obviously used that circle to create another card at the beginning of the card class. Also, I wanted you to create this card here with all this ribbon before you made this one. Now, you may not have any ribbon left, in which case that's absolutely fine. If you do have some left, it may just be a small piece, and you're just going to fold it over like so and attach that to the back of the circle with a bit of tape. Okay, like so. And then quite literally we're just going to attach that to our card front with some dimensionals, and that is your finished card design of the set. A nice, simple, straightforward card to finish. A great way of showcasing that pattern, that patterned paper. And I do hope you enjoyed it. So just to recap, the card designs look something like this. Oh, they're all stuck now. We have card number 5 here, card number 4, card number 3, sorry, card number, I can't even count. So we have card 5, card 4, card 3, card 2 and card 1, and that is everything all finished. Thank you so much for joining the card class. I really do appreciate you supporting my little business. If you have any comments or feedback, please do get in touch. And as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, if you haven't attended any of my card classes previously, you are most welcome to join us. I have virtual, online and in-person options available, and my next card class will be launching next week for July. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great time. Take care. Bye for now.